I own this land, but I believe I'm more of a steward of it. For me, it's a beautiful connection in the redwoods that I feel deeply and powerfully connected to. There's an ancientness to this land. Indigenous cultures were here before us, weaving together the beauty of nourishing traditions and spiritual practices, especially the lodge. The lodge is a beautiful place to where we enter into the womb of the Earth Mother to purify ourselves. We purify not only on a physical level through our sweat, but also emotionally, mentally, spiritually. When we are complete with the lodge, we come down and everyone participates in bringing something to the salad bar. So we're eating nourishing organic foods, and there we participate at a level of being able to help ground ourselves after a profound spiritual experience, and a way of being able to nourish ourselves. We're out here in the country, windy roads to here and to get home again. So it's important to me that everyone is solidly grounded. For me, everyone can create a garden. And one of the most magical things about having your own garden is the nourishing something from seed to food. And there's magic in growing and nourishing those plants. It is said that when we take a seed and we create and place our saliva upon it and place it into the ground and nourish it, that seed has the capability of pulling from the soil things that nourish us personally. And to be able to nurture it, take care of it, see it come in and finally bring fruit to your table is nothing short of miraculous. And in this way, we are nourishing not only our body, but we nourish ourselves emotionally in the care and the communion that you create with that plant. It creates a spiritual experience. It creates something that helps us mentally in relaxation. To come home, breathe into our plants, see them flourish, water them, nurture them, becomes a whole body experience of just watching that plant grow. And then when it creates its fruit for us, it allows us to be nurtured in that regard.